Hey guys, it's Ms. Borgnis. We're gonna be making a quick little breakfast treat today. We're gonna do some French toast, which is actually super quick and easy and also delicious. So here we go. Then you're gonna take your egg and your milk. We're gonna take a fork and we're gonna whisk together our egg. We're gonna add in some vanilla. And we're gonna sprinkle in just a little bit of cinnamon. And we're gonna take our fork and mix that together as well. Then you're gonna take a piece of bread, you're gonna throw it into your bowl, and you're gonna place it into your pan, like that. I'm a big cinnamon fan, so I like to sprinkle a little bit extra on top. We're gonna let that heat up for just a little bit. All right, so once you hear it start to snap, crackle, and pop, you're gonna flip it over, and you'll see that the egg kind of turned it a little bit white. That's okay. That'll golden brown up in a little bit. Pour some syrup on top. And enjoy.